Morning, guys. Today gonna try for some snook, maybe some tarpon. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Fishing with a buddy today, and should be good. Water's been a little bit high, so if the creeks that should be flowing aren't flowing, then it's not going to be good. But if it's flowing, it should be, I anticipate at least a 20 fish day, but obviously won't show all 20 fish. If I get 20 fish, if I get more, obviously you won't see more, but I'll try and get the bigger ones, the more quality fish on video. No guarantees though. Fisherman first. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll see how it goes. So start out the morning, fishing the first creek, and it was flowing, but there was just a school of jacks that would just hammer anything that would come off the shoreline by like 2 feet. So moved on and ended up sight fishing this okay slot red, probably I would say 21, 22 inch fish. It's a good start. It was quite a slow morning. Broke off on a big red that ate next to the kayak, but aside from that, nothing really happened up until the afternoon. I was able to get this nice slot snook. First cast in the area.
Oh yeah, he's dead. He's dead. 30 incher.
So this was one of the highlights of the day.
Nice 30 inch.
Didn't get the fight on video, but as you can tell, the sun's now almost, it's going down. It's been a grind. Lost a lot of nice fish. Came back to the creeks. And finally the jacks kinda went away, so was able to start catching some snook. But it was a very slow day.
Yeah.
Then finally on the way in, had this red next to me and was able to sight fish it. Water was lower than I anticipated, so what can you do? But yeah, another 21, 22 inch fish.
So just getting back, final tally for me was 8 snook, 3 reds. My buddy got 1 snook, and I think 2 or 3 reds. Overall slow day, but it was slow because of our doing. I missed this, or lost a slot pretty early in the morning, and as as I'm sitting there by one of my spots, about a 40-inch red decided to come up and inspect my kayak. So I dropped a paddle tail next to him, watched him do a 360, and as soon as he ate it, I set the hook a little bit too hard, and there was a weak spot in my braid and popped off. My buddy didn't do as well as I did because he lost, I think it was 5 slot snook. He also missed about a 36-inch red on top water about, I don't know, 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon with bluebird skies. So, you know, if you like throwing top water, do it all day. People say, oh, you should do it only in the morning. No, just do it all day if you like. But yeah, got a workout in. A lot of my catches today you will not see footage of because I simply just forgot to record. I am a fisherman first, and sometimes that kind of gets to me. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video.